Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today we're starting at the very beginning. If you're learning to crochet, this is step 1, how to make a slip knot. It's the very first loop that goes on your hook, and once you've got this down, you're ready to start your first chain. A slip knot is a simple adjustable loop that tightens when you pull the yarn. It's secure but easy to undo, which is exactly what we want when working with yarn. Let's walk through it together. Step 1. Start by holding the yarn in both hands. Leave about a 6-inch tail on the left side. Cross the tail over the working yarn to make a loop. Fold the loop down over the working yarn like a pretzel. Take your hook and put it under the working yarn. Grab it and pull it up. Now pull the tail to tighten the loop and pull on the working yarn to tighten it onto your hook. Not too tight, you just want it snug. If your knot keeps coming undone, check that you're grabbing on the working yarn and not the tail. And if it's too tight to move on your hook, just loosen it slightly with your fingers. And that's it! You just made your first slip knot. It's a small step, but it's also the first step in the wonderful world of crochet. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And don't forget, you can grab my free Beginner Crochet course to walk through every stitch, loop, and project with me. You're doing amazing, and I'm so proud of you already. See you in the next video.